The race for Chief Minister's chair has already begun with a fortnight to go for the election in Meghalaya. Several political parties are in a publicity war to outdo each other in projecting their choice for the Chief Minister's chair. After the UDP made its preference known on the Chief Minister's post, the BJP declares its ambition to go all out for the hot seat. While speaking to reporters, senior BJP leader A.L. Haq deviated from his previous stand of projecting himself as the BJP's chief ministerial face and said it does not matter who takes the crown, but it has to be from BJP and it will be a reality. He said that his party is determined to win as many seats as possible and BJP will spring a surprise with more number of seats this time.
The BJP, this is the first time in the history of BJP Meghalaya contesting all the 60 seats. I am also the leader. If you want to serve, I also want to serve as a chief minister. That is what I'm saying. This. If other leaders from BJP also they want to serve as a chief minister, I am also there to support them to work under anybody. We have no problem to work under anybody, but under the BJP leaders.